Mhlambe sikha kuyo amanzi.
Residents say these taps have been dry for the past 10 years. The water supply provided by water tankers since 2020 has also been inconsistent. They say sometimes water tankers come only once a month, leaving schools, clinics and homes without water. The residents say the water they currently use is contaminated.
The condition, it is inhumanly, because we have to drink water share with the cattle, goats and everything else. Lucky people are the one that having the tanks in there. They are sort of lucky people or privileged, I will say, even though the water from the tank is not 100% pure, but we consider ourselves as lucky if we have a tank. And then now another challenge is that those elderly people, they cannot afford to come in here to fetch water. So now what they do, they hire these youngsters. They buy water, a drum, they pay 50 rand a drum to get water. And then now that also becomes a challenge, because what happens is that the other youngsters, they steal the water from other homesteads that having tanks. So that's another issue that we are facing.
The residents rely on this mobile clinic for primary healthcare services provided by nurses who are forced to travel more than 30 kilometers to this village. They must also wait the whole day until they can access toilets with running water.
The problem is big because there are medicine that have to be mixed with water. We have to wash our hands and people come in needing water and there is no water. Nurses are struggling because they have to use water. There are no toilets and even a person who needs to urinate for medical examination, they do all that outside and we can't rinse those materials because there is no water.
The Amatole District Municipality says while a long-term solution is in the pipeline, the temporary provision of water is hampered by the huge demand in the local municipality.
Tankers are dispatched to Mzwini, but they also cover multiple other villages in the Great Kai municipality, which then limits the frequency of supply. At present, Mzwini receives about 15,000 liters once a week. While this helps, it is also not sufficient. Now, to mitigate the gap, we are reviewing tanker routes, considering placement of static tanks, as well as working with stakeholders to strengthen the short-term relief until permanent systems have been completed.
The district municipality says boreholes were successfully drilled last year and they will be equipped with pumping infrastructure once the necessary funding has been secured. Sidima Mfeku, SABC News, Mooiplaas in the Eastern Cape.